Hi, this is Jake with Cabinet Solutions, and on today's video I'm going to be showing you the two different methods for putting in side panels on appliances in Cabinet Solutions. This is going to be for European style standards. What I'm going to do is, let's go ahead and create a 100-inch wall, and let's go ahead and start off with the first method, which is taking just a regular base cabinet, hollowing it out, and putting an appliance inside of it. So we're going to place our base cabinet. And for this demonstration, I'm going to leave everything as default sizes. You can resize as needed. So let's go to our elevation screen and click on the cabinet. And what I'm going to do is, through view and delete boards, I'm going to remove the parts that I don't need. In this case, let's go ahead and remove the stile in front of the spreader, or the edging in front of the spreader rather, the edging in front of the bottom, and the bottom itself. Next, we're going to go back to Done, and there's some more parts that we can remove, but we can remove those through the cabinet standards. Now remember, cabinet standards only affect this individual cabinet, so it's safe to modify these. So let's go to our cabinet standards, and let's go to nailers and stretchers and remove all. And we don't need any toes or sleepers. Now you do have the option of removing the back if you want to, but if you're on an island or if there's going to be something else that's not going to be in the way of the back, I would suggest leaving the back on just to kind of cover the appliance information. So let's go to Apply to Cabinet. And now as you'll notice, we have just one giant drawer. But first, before we make that change, let's go to View and Delete Boards and make sure there's no other parts that we need to remove. We should be fine with just that. So let's go ahead and remove our opening, or at least modify the opening to be an appliance opening with a dishwasher. And that's it. Really simple. If you notice, everything matches up. It's just a cabinet with an appliance in it. The next one is to take an appliance, place it on the screen, and then to attach a cabinet as a side panel onto the side of it. For European style, it doesn't really matter if you're going to be making a left panel and a right panel, because you only need just one side panel in most cases. So I'm just going to make one. So let's place my dishwasher, and I'm going to take a base cabinet here and place it on the side. Now you'll notice that I left the base cabinet at the default size instead of making it 3/4 of an inch wide. When you make a cabinet 3/4 of an inch wide and don't remove any of the parts, all the parts that are inside the cabinet now compress down to whatever it needs to in order to fit an entire cabinet in 3/4 of an inch dimension. And you'll notice that that is going to cause all sorts of issues in the future. So what we're going to do is we're just going to delete everything but this left edging and this left side panel. Like before, we're going to delete the edging here. We're going to delete the bottom and the bottom edging there. Next thing is I'm going to go through my cabinet standards and modify my nailers and stretchers. I'm going to remove my back and remove my toes and sleepers. I won't need any of that information. And if you look, I just need to remove also the top edging there, and I can remove my right edging and my right panel here. Now I can change my opening to open, and that leaves me with just a side panel, a left panel, and my edging in front of it. Now you'll notice the cabinet still is marked for 24-inch wides. What we're going to do is we're going to go back to the place cabinet screen, click on the cabinet, and now we can actually modify the cabinet width to be the entire thickness of your side panel, which in my case it's 3/4 of an inch. And place it on the side. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Everything comes out clean, very simple to do, and best yet, you could actually go back into your elevations and click on that cabinet, and you can actually save it to your library so you don't need to keep rebuilding that side panel at all times. It's entirely up to you. Alright, and this is Jake again with Cabinet Solutions, and if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment down below or give us a call at 209-836-4077, or shoot us an email to support@cabinetsolutions.net. Give me some time and I'll be able to reply and help you out as much as I possibly can. Thank you again for watching, and you have a great day.